Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix Spotify not working. So there could be a plenty of reasons for that. First thing, you want to head over to Play Store, search for Spotify, and make sure that it's updated. So you want to click on update and update the app and see if that fixes the problem. If not, then long press on Spotify, go to app info. You want to force stop the app, go to storage and cache, clear the cache. From there, you want to head over to Spotify. If it loads, go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon at the top left. Go to settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down until you find clear cache. So click on clear cache one more time and see if any of this fixes the issue. If still it doesn't, you want to uninstall Spotify and reinstall it again. And yeah, these are the possible fixes. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.